You're listening to Sadai Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir. This is Azka Tanveer with Cries of Kashmir. As the year of 2024 comes to an end, December reminds us of what our guides said about Kashmir, that it is the jugular vein of Pakistan. Historical words of our beloved leader and father of the nation that said these words, that they would not tolerate its jugular vein, remains under the sword of the enemy, shows guides great attachment and love for Kashmiris. It also proves the significance of Kashmir for Pakistan. It will not be wrong to say that Kashmir is the backbone of Pakistan and this country will remain incomplete without Kashmir. In the light of the vision of the founder of Pakistan and father of the nation of Pakistan is bound to support Kashmiris' just struggle for the right to self-determination. Kashmiris' ongoing freedom struggle is basically the continuation of the Pakistan movement, and struggling Kashmiris draw inspiration from Pakistan movement of 1940, which resulted in the emergence of Pakistan. The people of Kashmir not only supported and buttressed Quaid-e-Azam's struggle for emergence of a separate state for the Muslims of the subcontinent, but also took an active part in it. Quaid-e-Azam had great love for Kashmiris and he visited Kashmir many times and was awarded a grand and historical welcome by Kashmiris. Whenever Muhammad Ali Jinnah arrived in Kashmir, the people thronged to the streets to see the glimpse of their beloved leader. The people of Kashmir showed full support to the Pakistan movement, and Quaid-e-Azam was impressed by the passion shown by Kashmiris during his stay in Srinagar. Father of the nation, Muhammad Ali Jinnah during his lifetime tried his best to liberate Kashmir from Hindu imperialists, but unfortunately, dream remained unfulfilled due to his untimely death. Kashmir is crucial for Pakistan. Kashmiris consider Pakistan and its armed forces as savior and protectors. Pakistan's uncompromising stand and unflinching support is a source of strength for Kashmiris, and Pakistan is the only hope for Kashmiris. In the light of the vision of the founder of Pakistan, Kashmiris consider themselves as true Pakistanis. Kashmiris' attachment and love for Pakistan can be judged by the fact that they declared their accession to the newly born state even before it came to existence. On the 19th of July is an important milestone in history in this regard, when the sole and true representatives of the Kashmiri nation through an anonymous resolution decided to accede with Pakistan. It is also a reflection of an unbreakable relationship between the Kashmiri people and Pakistan. Kashmiris all over the world commemorate 19th of the July every year as a session to Pakistan Day, to renew their unwavering affiliation with Pakistan and vow to leave no stone unturned to translate the dreams of Kashmiri martyrs into reality and to overthrow India's illegal occupation of their motherland. This day commemorates the passage of a historic resolution on the 19th of July 1947 by the Working Committee of all Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference at its meeting in Srinagar, whereby it had called for the Muslim majority state's accession to the yet to be created dominion of Pakistan. Kashmiris are determined that they will not rest till Jammu and Kashmir attain freedom from Indian slavery and become a part of Pakistan. It is an established fact that the state of Jammu and Kashmir was geographically, historically, culturally and ethically part of Pakistan, but India's policy of deceit and deception and expansionism and perpetual denial of implementation of the UN resolution on Kashmir have pushed the region into a quagmire of uncertainty. Kashmiris were part and parcel of the Pakistan movement led by the founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Love for Pakistan is in the blood of the Kashmiris, which India had failed to eliminate despite employing brute force having no parallel across the world. Even today, in the presence of 1 million happy triggered troops, Kashmiri youth wave Pakistani flag in front of the Indian bullets and bayonets, and the whole of the Kashmiri reverberates with pro-Pakistan slogans. Furthermore, coffins of the martyrs are draped with Pakistani flags. The historical slogan introduced by the late veteran leader Sayyid Ali Gilani, "We are Pakistanis and Pakistan is ours," has become the slogan of every Kashmiri young and old. It has always been dream of Kashmiris to become part of Pakistan, and the day is not far when this dream will come true. Pakistan is a gift of Allah Almighty for the Muslims, and it is the final destiny of Kashmiris. It is the only hope for the Kashmiris who are fighting against Indian slavery. It is the real ambassador and benefactor of Kashmiris, Pakistani people, its government, and especially its armed forces played commendable roles in highlighting the Kashmir cause. Pakistan, since its existence, is constantly pleading Kashmir case at all international and regional forums. It is due to the unparalleled sacrifices of Kashmiris and untiring diplomatic efforts of Pakistan that the Kashmir issue has become the center of focus at the international level. Kashmiris are grateful to Pakistan for its consistent political, diplomatic and moral support from 1947 to till date, and Pakistan is the only hope for Kashmiris as it is advocating the Kashmir cause at the international level. The untiring diplomatic efforts of Pakistan have undoubtedly internationalized Kashmir, and